Another option within the Professional Growth dashboard is the My Info tab. By clicking on the My Info tab, you will see two options, My Evaluations and My User Profile. When you select My Evaluations, you will see evaluations for the current school year, evaluations for past school years, and an area for uploading artifacts. When you click on your evaluations for the current school year, you will be able to see the type of evaluation you are on for this year, as well as other important information. When you scroll down to the second portion of the screen, you will see each component to complete and some due dates.